Hey everyone, Patrick Hughes. Here is the S&P 500, and what a move we had to the downside here on the overall markets. But our members were already prepared way in advance. Not only that, they profited off of that move. We told our members what was going to happen here, and we just picked one issue alone, went up 14% in a 3-day period here in this kind of market environment. Not only that, but we told our members that we were going to see a potential turn here, or at least had to watch for a potential high, and if we really broke out of past a number, we'd really see it rally up past that. And we called the prior move right here weeks before it happened. We told them that we would see a corrective move. We also told them that this was a major turn here, that we could see a rally here, and it could really be a pretty good rally. We saw that move. We also we called the top here at 1220. We told them that we would see a potential turn at 1220. The high was 1219.80. So within 20 cents, we called that high. Also, we said that we should see a change in trend, or at least a pretty good move to the downside. On this day, we told them that days beforehand, you could see what a substantial move it was. So not only did members know that this was a potential major turn or major high, and they also knew what day in the future we should start to see the accelerated of the move occurred. And that's exactly what happened. Then we called this low, stating it should come down into this range, and we should get a bounce off of this 1060 range, and that's exactly what happened. We said we should hold this 1172, 1173 range. That's exactly what happened. No higher did this move go, and then we saw a breakdown, and we stated days before it ever happened, told members that it should head into this 1055 range, get a bounce there, and could head back down into this 1045 range. We wanted them to watch. Now, it broke down to 1040, but if you look on the intraday, we were correct within 5 minutes. It actually closed above that range. So it never closed under the 1045 range. It really just held that. And then we got a bounce. We told them in advance that they could see a move to 1107, and it could hold that range, and that was the resistance. And let's look at what the high was on this last move, 1105.67. So we were correct within 133 on the handle. And then you could see what dramatic down move this has occurred. Not only that, as I was stating, our members were making money in this kind of overall market. We're doing well as far as what we thought would do well. And I mean, 15% or 14, almost 15% in a 3-day period. This is huge in this kind of market environment. I don't know many other sites that you can get this kind of pinpoint accuracy on the overall markets in such a volatile market, giving it right down, so many times right down to the price level that we may see a turn, giving these price ranges days before it happens. How much value could that have been to someone that knows options, shorting up here at the 1220 range, knowing that you could see a move down to here and to cover in that range, and then go long, covering up into this range, and then going short again? This could have made somebody a major fortune and paid for our services 1,000 times over. In my mind, we've been really calling this to the T here, and it doesn't do you any good for you to hear this from me if you're not going to take advantage of this opportunity. We need you to sign up so we can give you this kind of information and you can benefit from it. Sign up now. Find out our next breakout stock or major market turn. Happy trading.